Hi, my name's Lyric Turner. I'm the newest practitioner here at Paramount Wellness, and I wanted to share a little bit about my story. Before I became a practitioner, I was a patient of nutrition response testing, and I experienced a complete overhaul of my health. Without nutrition response testing, I'm very clear that I would be on a path towards further degenerative disease and probably prescription medicine and chronic health problems. So I'm so glad I found this modality, and I'm now able to bring it to others. So my state of health prior to becoming a patient was I had an underperforming thyroid. I had gained a bunch of weight in a very short period of time after being put on a thyroid prescription that had basically the opposite effect on me. And I also was experiencing the symptoms of an autoimmune disease that I had been diagnosed with in 2010 called ankylosing spondylitis. The inevitability of the disease was that my vertebrae of my spine would eventually fuse together and I would become a hunchback. The day-to-day experience of ankylosing spondylitis for me was just a constant level of inflammatory pain and stiffness in my spine and in my hips. And when I had flare-ups, the pain was so bad I couldn't do something as simple as walk my children to school. And actually even walking them down the stairs was extremely difficult. There was times when I had to crawl to get to where I was going in my house. So that's where the state of my health was before I became a patient. In fact, I also had other things that I wasn't even considering symptoms, but I had really blemish-prone skin and allergies, and I would get sick all the time, and I got cold sores. Probably every other month I would have a cold sore. I just wasn't well. And so in 2017, I found Paramount Wellness, and I had hope. Erica gave me hope in my first visit with her. She let me know that ankylosing spondylitis wasn't this incurable disease that I had been told it was, that she had hope that it would, through a proper nutrition program, would resolve, and she was confident that my thyroid issues and my other health problems would also resolve as well. And she also let me know that even though let me back up and say, I was clear, and Erica helped me see this, that it had taken me decades to get to this state of deteriorated health. And it wasn't going to be a quick fix. It was going to take a year or two or maybe more to get back to a healthy state. But at this point, I knew that my alternative was prescription drugs and pain and further degenerative disease, and probably a cascading level. So I was at this point committed to finding a solution and to regaining a healthy state. I wanted to do that for myself and my own energy, and for my family's needs. So I experienced all of that health overhaul as a patient. In the first year, I saw my back pain lessen and become progressively better. The pain started to go away. My back felt better. My energy returned. My skin cleared up. After a year on my program, and it did take a full year, I started to lose the weight, and that came off pretty rapidly once it started coming off. And in the second year, I got to realize my first allergy-free spring season, and my health continues to improve daily. At this point, I feel like a completely different person. It's completely turned around. I don't get sick anymore. I don't get cold sores. I have a healthy immune system again. So it's because of this that I wanted to become a practitioner. I, in 2018, decided to do a massive career change and seek my professional certification in nutrition response testing, because I believe in this so much, and I want other people to experience the same transformative health that I have. And so I'm now professionally certified, and I'm so excited to bring this modality to my community. I'm so grateful for what it's done for my health and for my family's health, and I look forward to being a part of changing the paradigm of healthcare in America. Thank you.